Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of like productive weekend day in my life vlog to take the weekends to kind of be productive and get caught up on everything. I have a lot of cleaning I need to do around my apartment. I also need to go grocery shopping. I like to plan out my meals and the groceries that I'm gonna need. That way it's already done. So I'm gonna be doing that today. I think I'm actually gonna go to Trader Joe's because I do really love Trader Joe's. Typically I just go to like, sometimes I'll go to Target or like local grocery stores where I live. Trader Joe's does have a lot of really good stuff, and they just came out with their seasonal treats and food for Christmas, and I've been wanting to go. Also, my dad really loves their burritos, so we can have them for lunch at work. So my dad might be coming with me because thought it'd be fun to take you guys along. I'm also gonna be taking my dog for a walk and just kind of getting outside. It's kind of a dreary day, but I wanted to do something kind of active and just get outside and get myself going to kind of kickstart the productive day. I have this workout set from Alo Yoga. I thought this would be the perfect thing to wear for my productive day because it's super comfy and it's really cute, and it's perfect for just like running errands and having a productive day around the house. But also, like I said, I'm gonna be a little bit active today, walk around the neighborhood and go for like hopefully kind of a long walk with my dogs. And so I just wanted something comfortable and easy to move in. I have a couple sets from Alo Yoga actually, so I'm gonna do like a mini haul for you guys. I love their workout sets. Their bike shorts actually are like my favorite bike shorts. I wear them every single day in the summer. Alo Yoga is like my go-to when it comes to activewear. I love their sets, bike shorts, their leggings, anything like that. I'm gonna show you these cute new sets that I just got. And I am actually partnering with Alo Yoga on this video, which is super exciting because like I said, they're one of my favorite brands. The sets that I'm about to show you from Alo Yoga, I'm gonna have them linked below. I'm gonna have all the details, sizing, and links below, so definitely shop those products through the links in my description. This is what I have on right now. I just threw on this jacket because it's pretty cold outside. This is what the actual set looks like. I think it's super cute. I love the high neck and kind of like longer sports bra. I just think that's super cute. Got like a lot of good built-in kind of like padding, so I feel super comfortable just wearing this around. Just love how this looks. I think it's super flattering. So these are like a moto style kind of legging. They've got this nice detailing on the legs. I just think this is super flattering and cute, and you could totally just wear this out, run errands. It's just really comfortable like to lounge in and everything like that. Honestly, it would be really perfect for workouts. Really comfortable, really cute back detailing. I am obsessed with this. I also think this color would look really good for Christmas time. It's so comfortable. Like I said, I wear the bike shorts like every single day. Very similar fit to those, just how the waist fits. So I really love the fabric and the fit and the feel of these. They're really nice and high-waisted and thick and just a really comfortable feel. So this is the other set. This is so cute. Love the little Alo logo. I also think this color is so flattering. These leggings are also very high-waisted and they're a nice, thick, comfortable material. These ones feel very similar to the bike shorts that I have. Like they might be the exact same fit. Like genuinely, they're just so comfortable. I really like the style of this sports bra. So you can tell this one is a little bit shorter and it kind of scoops in the neck. I think the color is also kind of wintry. It's like a nice like winter blue. I've been seeing this one all over my Instagram. I've been seeing it everywhere. It's super cute. I think this would be a great one to pick up. It's very cute. You will not be disappointed, I promise. So something you guys should know about Alo Yoga that I love is that all their products are sustainably and ethically made. They're 100% sweatshop free. It's just a really comfortable set. I could just wear this all the time to just like lounge in and just wear around the house. It just fits really well. Like the leggings are nice and snug and tight, which is how I like my leggings to fit. It's not like I'm constantly pulling them up. The material is like a soft but thick material. Just really nice. So I absolutely love the material. Sports bra is very comfortable as well. I feel like good in it because it does have that padding. I would definitely recommend this. I think this would be a really good set to have around the holidays because it is red and it's got that like Christmas theme. Especially if you guys work out frequently, this would just be a really good workout set. I like having workout sets just for other things, like they're just so cute and comfy. So even if you don't work out all the time, I feel like they're just a good thing to have. Literally love these. I think I'm just going to head over to my parents' house and walk my dog, and then I think my dad might be going with me to Trader Joe's. Might get coffee on the way. I took my dog for a walk and I'm now on my way to Trader Joe's. I don't know if you guys know this, but I do have to wear glasses when I'm driving. I just found out the other day that my prescription has doubled in the last couple years, which can't be good. I think mainly from looking at the computer. So I do have to get new glasses. These are still okay, like, to drive with. I mean, I do need to get a new prescription, but anyways, I am driving to Trader Joe's. Just gonna be getting my groceries. I kind of planned out loosely, maybe some ideas for the week. So I'm just gonna get kind of like some generic things that I know I'll use and just kind of some of my Trader Joe faves. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I'll see you guys at Trader Joe's. But first, coffee. Just got a pumpkin spice from Starbucks, and look at the cute little cups. By the way, my glasses are from iBuyDirect in case you're curious. I will link the style below. Here at Trader Joe's, my dad is here with me.
Hello.
And we are unintentionally matching. What is your favorite thing at Trader Joe's?
I don't know that I have a favorite thing. They have a smoked salmon here. If you like bagels and cream cheese and you put the salmon on it, it's a everything bagel everything or something like that.
Everything bagel.
So highly recommend that.
Mom and I really like the dark chocolate peanut butter cups, and I really like the cookie butter. The tiramisu is really good too. It literally tastes like you'd get it at a restaurant. So I'm back from Trader Joe's. Somehow it is already dark out thanks to daylight savings. I'm just gonna take everything out of my Trader Joe's bag and do a little haul, show you what I picked up. And then I'm just going to clean my apartment. I feel like it is pretty messy. I'm pretty much caught up on laundry, but I did want to wash my bedding. So here is a little haul. I picked up this vanilla cake. This is actually so good. My mom really loves this, so I'm just gonna bring this over the next time I go over to my parents' house. I also got some of these little ciabatta rolls, really, really good for sandwiches. Just got some romaine lettuce. Also just got some bananas and avocado. I also got these mac and cheese because I've heard Trader Joe's has really good mac and cheese, but I wasn't exactly sure which one it was that everybody talks about. I also got this green goddess dip. I had been wanting to try this out. Lately, I feel like I've been seeing people post about this truffle dip, so I thought I'd pick this up as well. And some of you guys said you like their hash browns, and I've been wanting some McDonald's hash browns. These look a lot like the McDonald's ones. I would give these a try. These just look really good. And then I wanted to pick up something seasonal because they do have some of their holiday food out. So I picked up these little mini gingerbreads. They're like frosted and they look really good. And then of course I picked up these dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Then I also got this, it's like $2 or something crazy. I think it was literally $2.99. Just got this red wine. I know that's not really like a ton of things, but I do eat sandwiches every day. I already have stuff for like homemade pizza and just some other things like pasta. I just needed to get some more like fresh ingredients. I hope you guys enjoyed my mini little Trader Joe's haul. Like I said, I might end up doing some more grocery shopping throughout the week, just like at little local grocery stores. I already have some stuff, like stuff for homemade pizza, stuff for pasta, and so I don't want to like overbuy and then not end up using it. Still sometimes go to my parents' house for dinner because they do live really close by, and we're kind of binging a show right now, and so sometimes I'll go over there to watch the show, and then my mom's making something good for dinner. Sometimes I still go over there for dinner, so I don't want to like overbuy too much stuff. I forgot to show you that when I did the Trader Joe's haul, but I have some cauliflower gnocchi. I have like 2 or 3 bags of that, so I might make that for dinner tonight. So I feel like I just have plenty of things already here that I can make for dinner this week. I'm kind of done with my groceries. I've pretty much put them all away. Now I'm just basically going to do some cleaning. I just need to take like 30 minutes or maybe even an hour and just really clean. I feel like I'm kind of getting into my night routine at this point, so if you want like a detailed night routine, definitely check out this video because it's my night routine. So I'm probably not going to vlog too much longer. I hope this video was entertaining and you guys enjoyed. I was going to clean out my closet today, but I didn't end up getting around to that. So maybe I'll do that in a different vlog or a different video, or maybe a whole separate video. You guys watched my moving vlog number 3. I got a Lowell mattress and I've been sleeping on it for about a month now, and I just have to say I absolutely love it. My only complaint is that it's so comfortable. I keep sleeping in the morning and snoozing my alarm. I've been getting more sleep, but less productive mornings. With that being said, it's really, really comfortable, and like genuinely, I love it so much. And I also have a Lowell pillow that I've been sleeping on. You probably see it behind me, which is also really comfortable. I've been sleeping extremely well on it, so I would say like 10 out of 10 recommend. I mean, I'm not like a super picky person when it comes to mattresses. So I've just been cleaning and finishing up my Christmas decorations because I had a few things. You guys will see in my, I'm doing a whole Christmas decorating video and like vlog. I just had to finish up that video because I never really finished it up. Like I vlogged myself setting up all my Christmas decorations, but then I added a whole bunch of new things and I never really vlogged it or ended the vlog, just kind of filming that. I feel like everything is pretty much clean. So I think that's pretty much everything. I might just make like a really quick dinner. I think I might just end the vlog here because I feel like I'm kind of getting into my night routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Alo Yoga for partnering with me on this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and this inspired you to have a productive day cleaning, grocery shopping, just getting on top of anything else. Also, I like to kind of take a moment to plan for the week. So just looking at my digital calendar or my planner and just kind of plan out my week. That's something else I like to do whenever I'm having a productive day. I really love this Alo Yoga set. It is, the leggings are so comfortable. They're so soft. They genuinely feel so nice. Like I'm not surprised because I love their bike shorts and I have other leggings and sets from them that I love. They're just so comfy to wear. So definitely make sure to check them out. I'm gonna have them linked below so you can shop these sets in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment below what your favorite thing from Trader Joe's is, or something you'd like to try from Trader Joe's. And also just make sure to follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 for real-time updates. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.